At approximately 4:30 p.m. this evening, two vehicles were involved in a car crash on the bridge of Bagley Street across from Sytek Park. Because of the icy conditions on the bridge, the two drivers lost control of their vehicles, colliding.
They're starting to drop. The roads are still wet, but the bridge ice is quicker, and that's what we had happen today. We had a car driving much too fast for the conditions, spun out on the bridge because it was icy, went into the path of another car that was trying to avoid it but couldn't because of the bridge, and we have an accident.
Nobody was injured as a result of the accident, and we will keep you updated with any details that we receive.